Hi, I'm Officer Joe Nichols from the Oshkosh Police Department. The Oshkosh Police Department would like to warn citizens in regards to an employee scam that's taking place in Oshkosh and the Fox Valley. Since 2011, the Oshkosh Police Department has investigated 17 of these types of employee scam incidents. How it occurs is that two subjects drive up in a pickup truck. We've had descriptions of the pickup truck being white in color, dark in color, and also silver and gray. When the two subjects pull into the driveway, one of the subjects exits the vehicle, comes up to the front door, and makes contact with the homeowner. The homeowner is then advised that either there's something wrong with a tree in the back that needs to be cut down, there's something wrong with the electrical system in the area, and the newest scam is that a fence needs to be repaired. The subject that was in the vehicle that made contact with the homeowner advises the homeowner that A, they have to step out of the house and go take a look at the tree limbs that need to be cut, or are asked to go downstairs in the basement to look at the circuit panel. While this is occurring, a second subject exits the vehicle, enters the home, and burglarizes it, taking jewelry, money, and other valuables. We are asking all citizens, if you did not contact a repair person, or you cannot identify the subject that is asking for you to exit the house or for them to enter the house, do not go outside with the subject and do not allow them in access to your residence. The next thing to do is make sure that you contact the Oshkosh Police Department and advise the Oshkosh Police Department of what is occurring. Only 1 out of every 40 victims of these types of scams are reporting it. And we believe that there are probably more victims that are not reporting it than are. Please share this information with all that you know, especially older adults. We thank you for your cooperation.